In this tutorial, we'll be having a look at Hanon exercise number 10. Yes, we've reached exercise number 10, finally. And this is the third and fourth finger, the preparation for the trill for the third and fourth fingers of the left hand in ascending, and for the third and fourth of the right descending. So let's have a look at the right hand first. I'm just going to work again in one octave, but remember when you play Hanon, it needs to be a stretch of 2 octaves, repeating the exercise again. So always remember to repeat and play 2 octaves, ascending and descending. So I'm going to start here on C. We're going to have 1. We're going to have a stretch again with our second finger so that our fifth finger falls on A. 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. 5 on D, stretching again. 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. 5 again on the next one, stretching. When we get to the top, ending like so. So that we are ready to start with our fifth finger on G for descending. Left hand ascending, we are going to start. Fifth finger stretching the fourth, so the stretch between the 5 and 4. So the thumb is on A, starting 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. And this is what the exercise is all about. Getting to the top, ending so that our hand is ready to inverse and do the stretch. Hands together ascending. Readying now for descending. Right hand first. 5. Now we stretch and we start with our thumb. 4, 3, 4, 3, 5. Stretching again. Getting to the end. For the left hand, 5 on middle C, thumb, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Moving down. Ending on our fifth. Putting your hands together. Remember, equal tone in all notes that we play. Playing it all in one fluent motion. I'm only doing 1 octave, but remember 2 octaves with repeats. Keeping your wrist high. Relaxed. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe and check out any other videos that might be helpful. Thanks for watching.